Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features, a fair price. Features also include keyless ignition, adaptive cruise control, cooled seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, sun moonroof. We are pleased to show you the 2016 GS350. The GS350 boasts a powerful engine with a lot of horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.